Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 7. It's cold. It's cold though. I've even had to double my gloves. There's this really cute glove I found at a charity shop that you can just put on top of your already existing glove. So you guys, I'm on my way to the bus stop now, and it's dropping small showers, and I'm praying that the bus is early today because I don't want to know any other, because the rain better just come before this rain decides to start pouring. Anyway, you guys, I will catch up with you probably in the bus or when I get to work. How's everyone doing? If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up as soon as the video shows up. Even the ads start playing before anything. Thumbs up. Thank you.
A few moments later.
You guys see what Vlogmas has cost? I was on my phone in the bus and I was editing my videos, and I got completely sucked up in what I was doing. I forgot I was supposed to press bus. They carried me past my bus stop. I have to walk back in this terrible cold. Anyway, you guys, enjoy the scenery. This is King's Lynn. Looks like an old cathedral, but I'm very sure it's not used for what it's supposed to be. It looks very abandoned. But anyway, you guys, I'm on my way to work now. Why are the gravestones so close together? Yes, widely unusual. Like they're so close together, like they're lying down beside each other. So I'm taking a road I haven't passed before because it looks like a shortcut, and I seem to be right. I've been seeing this place whenever I would drive by, and now I get to walk here. It used to be a lot busier, like in the afternoons. People come here, take walks, walk their dog, walk their children, throw balls. So probably in the afternoon you see a lot more people here, but it's very much deserted now. I can only see leaves and one person walking in front of me, walking their child in front of me. But yeah, the leaves make everything look beautiful, but they're just a huge nuisance. They're beautiful on the floor, but it's a nuisance to clean up. It's a mess. Oh. As in, my hands are frozen inside my glove. And then you have places that are even colder than this. It's a smell. Oh Lord have mercy.
One eternity later.
So as usual, the boys came to get me from work, and then on our way from work we had to join Shiloh, and this was just one of the prayer sessions when we had already got home. The boys made my life easier again. They opted for fries and nuggets tonight again, so this is the second time we're having that in a row this week, which is such a huge relief to me. You can see the joy in my face. But yeah, my boys were having a jam, and that's Asha, his aspiring guitarist. Anyway, we had dinner, and then it was time to just settle down and just hear the word. You guys, I hope you are following Shiloh. It's day 3 and it's gradually winding to a close. But anyway, you guys, after Shiloh was done, it was just time to prep for the next day's lunch, and Asha wanted spaghetti, so that's what I'm going to be making tonight. So I'm just trying to prep my water here. This is just tap water. I'm adding some salt. I'm also going to be going in with some oil just to loosen the pasta so it doesn't clump up together. If you're Italian or a professional chef, please look away at this point, because I break my spaghetti. I break it with no shame. I break it because it's easier for the boys to eat. It's a lot less messier for them. So that's why I do that. Anyway, going ahead to make the pepper base, I'm going to be adding a third of my onion and all of my garlic at the start of it. I'm just going to fry that for a bit and then add my tomato paste. For those who have told me to slow down while I'm doing this cooking section, this is as slow as it will get so that it doesn't get boring for the rest of us. So once this starts to fry and it starts to make a splatter, that's when I remember that I have an apron. I quickly go and get that one to wear so it doesn't ruin my dress. And then I'm going to be going ahead to add my pepper base. This is from the last batch cooking that I made with you guys. If you haven't seen that video, it is a couple of videos before Vlogmas, so please go ahead and catch up on that. I'm going to be going ahead with my seasoning. I'm adding curry, thyme, paprika for color, not for spice. I'm adding some coriander, some garlic granules. I'm adding white pepper and garlic powder, and then I'm just going to give that a quick stir before we go ahead and add the rest of our seasoning. I try to fry my spices so that it amps the spices. I'm going ahead with my chicken seasoning and a little salt. Remember that our pasta is already salted. And just look at the transformation from when the pepper is like this to when it has fried a bit. It goes a lot darker, and that's when caramelization has taken place. This will definitely make a huge difference with your pasta. So once that is done, I'm just transferring the pasta straight from the pot. I know I should save it, but this is the quickest way that I can do it. Forgive my English is very hard. If you don't know, you don't know. English is hard. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the rest of my onions and let that cook with the rest of the pasta. The pasta is almost done at this point, so I'm just going to keep stirring, and this is just pasta is basically done at this point. But I'm just going to let that finish cooking with the onion, and once the onion turns translucent like this, you know that your pasta is done. I'm just going to let that cool off a bit while I just prep their bags for school the next day. Quality control is very necessary, so you know that you have not been cooking rubbish. Okay, all right, so it's time to plate after the pasta has cooled down, and I'm just going to go ahead and give him his cute little portion. He loves spaghetti. Thank God that he loves spaghetti, because if not, it would just be me eating spaghetti in this house, because it's fit farm food for me. But anyway, that is his portion. Is also getting that with some chicken nuggets, and these are the ones we get from Farm Foods. I've shown you the pack of that. So he's also having some cupcakes, and his fruit of choice today are plums. So I got these plums at Aldi. I'm just going to be coring them and removing the seeds, so it's a lot easier for him to eat. Sometimes he likes them whole, but I prefer to have them like this, so that it's a lot less of a hazard for him to eat on his own, because I can't just imagine anything going wrong with any seeds or anything like that. So I tried to take out the seeds and give him his little cute little fruit picks that I got from Shein. I showed you that unboxing a while ago. And yeah, that is it. That's everything he's getting. I'm just going to be adding a fork for him to be able to eat his spaghetti with, and that is it. The bag gets closed, and I'm just going to be putting that into his main school bag. For those who were concerned about, putting his lunch in his bag the night before, it is cold and we do not have the heating on overnight, so nothing gets spoiled, and he basically just enjoys this. He'll have this cold. Anyway, he's having water. His fruit of choice today for his short break is apple, and we're just going to be adding some safari snacks. These are just chocolate coated biscuits, and yes, I lost a nail to this process today. But anyway, we keep moving. I'm just going to repeat the same for Daniel's bag. Daniel doesn't get a packed lunch because he eats the school dinner. I'm just going to be filling his lunch. English. I'm going to be filling his reading book, because they both had their reading session with their dad, and I'm just going to be filling that in. I fill up his water bottle, wash that quickly and fill it up. And he's also having some apples, and he's having one safari snack as well. That's it. Shogilo Bilgi. That's it for tonight. Thank you so much for watching Vlogmas Day 7. I'm sure you guys are thrilled to have this cooking session, because I was thinking of what I was going to do, because there was really nothing to cook, and everybody knows how to put chips in the air fryer. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching Vlogmas Day 7. I'm really glad to have you guys Yeah, I will see you guys in Vlogmas Day 8. Remember to like, share, subscribe to all of that good stuff, and I will see you guys later. Bye y'all.